at me, Connor. Look at me. Look at me. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit.
Whoa! Hi! Look at him go! Whoa, dude!
Look at me, Bottle. Look at this. Look at me. I got a rope.
Go ahead, sister, swing. Crash! Careful!
I love so much fun.
Paige, you like swinging on her belly, don't you?
No.
Ready?
Ready.
Woo!
Slip up. Let's do this. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
Guys, want to go down the slide?
Yeah. No.
No? You just want to swing?
This is mine. This is a little bit. This is a little bit. How about these? Wow. There's my dog.
What's that?
That's my dump rope.
Yeah?
Yeah. Dump.
It's a very small jump rope, Paige. I don't think you can jump with that. Maybe we'll get you one, okay?
Maybe you can give me one?
Yeah, we'll get you one. We'll learn how to jump rope.